All right, we'll go ahead and start here with XRP. XRP was your first chart request. So we did get a buy signal on this right here back in December. That was December 29th. That came right here on at around 180 when we tried to break out. But you could see that a red dot came here a couple weeks afterwards on January 19th. And you could see it broke down after that from 180 to 184. So you would have been stopped out right here if you guys set a stop loss on that red dot. If you didn't, just look to average down here on the next green dot. Again, it's not going to matter if you guys think XRP is going to $10, which hopefully you do if you're buying it here. It won't matter if you buy it at 190 or down here at 137. So if you guys are following our strategy, okay, we don't panic sell when something goes down. Okay, if this is down 20, 25% from right there, we don't panic sell after we bought right here at 190. What we want to do is we want to buy more. And the one thing that's standing out to me the most right now is the fact that we're into our 4-year moving average. Okay, that blue line represents the average price over 4 years. Okay, it's a 200 EMA. It would be a 200-week moving average on a weekly chart. So 4-year moving average, right? The average price over 4 years. And as traders, right, here at Overkill Trading, what we're trying to do is we're trying to buy at fair prices, or we're trying to buy at cheap prices. Well, how do we know if something's at a fair price? We simply look at the average. So in this case, on this chart, we'd be using the 4-year moving average, right? That's the mean, okay? Most people want to buy when we're way up off of the mean because it's going straight up, right? This is when everyone's excited, everyone's jacked up, everyone's having a good time, right? And then we have this capitulation dip, right? Everyone was talking about XRP up here at 350, but look at the separation from the 4-year moving average right there. Okay, so that was a lot of separation. We were saying sell XRP up here at 350. You can see we got our sell signal right there. The red dot is our sell signal. The green dots are our buy signal. So yes, a signal came here at 180. And it went down to what? It hit 110, and now it's right back here to 137, but it is sitting right on that moving average, which is interesting. The only thing we want to see now is that green dot come back. Because again, we got these green dots back here. This was in 2024, right around that moving average. What did we do? We called XRP out at 50 cents. You guys can go watch the videos back here in October. We called it out at 50 cents. And this thing popped all the way up to 350. That was a huge trade last year. Okay, back in 2024. Massive trade. Okay, and now we've capitulated and now everyone's running for the hills. The markets are the only place where when something goes on sale, people run out, people run for the door. They run away. And PLTR as well. So this one's sitting into the white line. The white line is the 1-year moving average on our chart, on our indicator, and the blue is the 4-year. So this one's coming in here to the yearly. I don't like PLTR personally. I'd like it more down here at 70 to 100. Ultimately, we just need to wait for that first signal. But you're getting it at the yearly average price right now. If you're buying it here, I just think there's some cheaper stuff right now.